Hello and welcome to Richland Community Library's Beanstack Summer Challenge tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the Beanstack website as well as the Beanstack app for the Summer Reading Challenge. If you're going to be using your computer, go ahead and go to our website and click on the Summer Reading. From here you can go to Kids and Family, Teens, or Adults. Go ahead and click on the registration button. This will bring you to our Beanstack online website. If you haven't registered, go ahead and register an individual or family, or sign in. This will bring you to your dashboard. Up in the right-hand corner, you can toggle between your children. If you'd like to log reading or activities, go to the button in your left-hand corner that says Log Reading and Activities. This will bring you to a page where you can start a timer to record your reading, or you can just log your minutes. You do not have to log your title or author, and if you have more than 1 hour of reading, you can type it in like it says here. Make sure you have it on the right child. Hit Log Reading. This will show you that you've logged your reading. You'll have to go back to the beginning and choose the other child, or you can choose all readers. If you need to complete an activity, this is the same area that you'll use, and you'll hit Complete an Activity. This will bring you to the various badges that you can earn. Each badge has several items that you can do. If you complete 5 of these items, you will earn a badge and 2 end of summer drawing tickets. To complete an activity, do what it asks you to do. Either write a response, check off that you did it, or maybe a secret code. This will be the same for the teen program. This will have a little bit more activities, but again, you just need to complete 5 activities, and for the teens you will earn a prize ticket and an end of summer drawing ticket. If you'd like to spend your end of summer drawing tickets, go to your main page. Make sure you're on the correct child. Go to Ticket Drawings. This will show you how many tickets you have earned. I have not earned any tickets yet. And it'll show you all the prizes that you can earn. For more information, click on the prize and it'll give you a description as well as where to spend your tickets. Now I'm going to show you how to do the app. If you are using the app, please click on the app. Go to Find a Site. Type in Richland Community Library and hit search. Go ahead and click on Richland Community Library, Michigan. Now you can enter your username. This will bring you to your home page. Up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see your child's initials. If you click on that, you can toggle between your children. If you haven't yet gone into one of the challenges, you're going to have to scroll down and find the challenge that you're currently in and go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to your dashboard. If you're looking to log your reading or log some activities, go ahead and hit the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up what you would like to do. If you'd like to log your reading, click Reading. This is where you can click for both kids if you're reading to both of them, or just click on one child. From here, you can scan the book that you're reading if you wish to, but that is not necessary. You can go ahead and log without a title. On the app, if you've read for hours, you're going to have to convert that to minutes. So if you've read for 2 hours, it would be 120 minutes. You do not have to log the pages or how many books you completed. This will show you that you've earned something. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and log for somebody else, you can still stay on this page and just hit the plus button at the bottom. You can go ahead and choose a different child, log without a title, and how many minutes. If you want to add an activity, go ahead and hit that plus button again at the bottom of your screen and go to activity. This will show you all the badges that you can earn. Again, you need to complete 5 activities in each badge in order to earn it. On the right-hand side, it shows you what you might earn. If you'd like to enter the end of summer drawing, go ahead and scroll across the top here to find ticket drawings. Go ahead and click on it. It'll tell you how many tickets you have to spend and give you an overview of the prizes. If you were to click on a prize, it'll give you a little bit more information about the prize and a way to add your tickets. That is it for the summer reading tutorial. We hope to see you soon.